Huge mess.
What is up, Toto Tangdila? This is the official deck logbook. This is one of the most important documents on board the vessel because you need to put all the information that you've done every single day. It's more like sailor's diary, but organized. Like I said, this logbook is like a sailor's diary. So if you notice here, I will show you something. If you notice here, this is divided, this column are divided into 4 rows. Is that correct? Row. So it's divided into 4 rows, which is every hour. This is 12 to 1 for second mate, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. And for chief mate, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for third mate is 9, 10, 11, and 12. Here you need to write the local time or ship's time, barometer, which predict the low pressure or high pressure, temperature, present weather, where you can find in front of this logbook, which I will show you now. This one, this is the present weather, if it's raining, sunny, cloud, or everything. You can find it here, the code that you need to put on that page or part of the logbook. And wind speed, wind direction, force, you will also find the Beaufort here. Sea scale, you also see here, the sea scale is here. Like I said, here you will find the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swell, ground track, deviation and variation. Variation, you will find it on your ECDIS. Deviation, you should have your deviation card on board, which are every 2 years should be updated by the shore, authorized shore personnel. Course and speed, helmsman, usually automatic, magnetic compass, and of course, distance made good. The other side, here you will put all the information that was carried out on your watch, like pilot on board, alter of course, beginning and end of sea passage, change over of fuel, drop anchor, anchor away, and etc. so on and so forth. So every time you need to put information of the logbook, you also need to put the time and position. On vessels information, you can find all the information on your vessel or ship's particular. So everything that you need to input on your, like what I said, I'm just repeating it all the way. So, and then the authorized or person authorized to sign is your co-sailor's diary writer. They are captain and all the officers on watch or OO. So that's all the persons authorized to sign on the official deck logbook. And IMO records are the weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, yearly, I love you forever, and so there is where you will write all the records that you've done or you carried out, inspection, drill, trainings that you've done on board the vessel. You also need to write all the trainings and drills that you carried out on board on this page. Weekly SOLAS training, fire drill, man overboard, everything, all the drills that you've carried out. So that's it. By the way, if you make mistake, if you done some mistake on your log entry, don't erase it like this or don't scratch it, because they will kill you. Yeah, they will kill you. Just put a simple line on the word that you made mistake, and then just put on the remarks corrected by your rank and your signature, and that will be understood because if that, yun na yun. Kasi English kasi, hirapan na nga ako eh. So that's it, Kaututang Dila. I hope you enjoy. I made this video on English. So I am nahihirapan na to make this video to share the to share the knowledge and in some information that I hope that can help our other fellow seafarers from the other side of the world, like Mohit Jagitea. I don't know if I pronounce it correct. I hope I pronounce it correct. Sorry if I don't. And that's it. Please don't forget to share and like. Hit that bell button to know if I upload new videos. And don't forget to... By the way, there are different kinds of logbook. So it depends on your company what logbook they will send you. Some company have their own logbook and their own logbook entry procedure. So I suggest to check your logbook on board to see if how they fill up or how your officers fill up your official deck logbook. So follow your company procedure on how to fill up your deck logbook. That's it. See you guys. Bye! By the way, shout out nga pala